Some of the links you'll find in the description below are affiliate links. It just means that if you decide to use one of the services I'm talking about, which I genuinely believe are the best out there, there's no extra cost to you at all. I might earn a small commission. Have you ever wondered if you could build a business that makes money for you even while you sleep? It might sound like a dream, but with snack vending machines, it's a very real possibility. Today, we're diving deep into a complete step-by-step guide to launch your own profitable vending machine business right here in the USA. We'll cover everything from market research and legal permits to sourcing machines and scaling up. First, let's talk numbers. A typical startup cost per machine, including the machine itself, initial stock, and installation, can range from $2,000 to $10,000. This depends on whether you buy new or refurbished. As for revenue, it varies wildly by location. A machine in a quiet spot might make just $5 or $10 a week, but a machine in a premium, high-traffic location could pull in several $100s every single week. Ready to see how it's done? Let's get started. Before we jump into the main topic, I have to tell you about an incredible service I've been using called Busy. If you're thinking about starting a business and need to file an LLC or corporation, Busy is a total game changer. They are a professional formation company that makes the entire process incredibly simple. Seriously, they can even file your LLC for you, which saves so much time and gets rid of all that confusing paperwork and hassle. And get this, if you don't have a social security number, Busy can still help you open your LLC. They guide you through every single step, making you feel confident and supported. I've put a link to my full review of Busy in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Okay, with that said, let's get back to today's video. Step 1 is all about validating demand and choosing your niche. You could go with traditional packaged snacks like chips and candy, which are the easiest to manage. Or you could tap into the growing market for healthy refrigerated items like yogurts and salads, which offer higher margins but require more complex permits and handling. There are also specialty niches like ethnic snacks or keto-friendly options. The key is to match your product to the right location. To do your market research, get out there and explore. Walk through office parks, visit gyms, check out schools, hospitals, and apartment building lobbies. Speaking face-to-face with property managers is the best way to get real-world information. Use online maps to spot clusters of potential locations. Remember the golden rule. High foot traffic plus a captive audience equals your best shot at success. Step 2. Build your financial plan. Let's break down the costs for one machine. A refurbished snack machine might cost between $1,500 and $4,000, while a brand new smart machine with cashless payment options could be $4,000 to $10,000. Your initial inventory will probably run you a few $100. Then factor in delivery, business formation fees, permits, and insurance, which can add another several $100 to $1,000. Don't forget your ongoing monthly costs. You'll need to continuously restock inventory, pay for gas, cover credit card processing fees, and potentially pay a commission to the location owner, which is often 10 to 25% of your sales. Create a pessimistic, realistic, and optimistic scenario to understand your potential payback period. Many successful operators start with a handful of machines and reinvest their profits to grow. Now for the important legal stuff. Step 3 is forming your business. Many entrepreneurs choose to form a limited liability company, or LLC. An LLC is a fantastic way to protect your personal assets, like your house and car, from any business debts or lawsuits. It separates your personal and business finances, giving you crucial liability protection and peace of mind as you grow. Once you've chosen your structure, you'll register your business with your state and get a free employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. You'll also need to register for a state sales tax or seller's permit. If you plan to sell perishable foods, you must contact your local health department for specific food permits. And don't forget bookkeeping. Open a separate business bank account to track all your sales and expenses from day one. Step 4 is about protecting your investment with insurance and contracts. You'll need general liability insurance, which covers you if someone gets hurt, and commercial property insurance to protect your machine from damage or theft. A written contract with the property owner is non-negotiable. This agreement should cover the commission structure, contract duration, who pays for electricity, and terms for removal. A solid contract prevents future disputes and secures your income stream. Next up, Step 5. Buying your machines. New machines with cashless readers and remote monitoring, known as telemetry, cost more upfront but can significantly boost sales and make your operations more efficient. Refurbished machines offer a lower entry cost, which is great when you're just starting out. Make sure any machine you buy has a cashless payment system. It's no longer optional. It dramatically increases how much people spend. Also, consider getting a dolly for moving machines and a basic repair toolkit. Step 6 is sourcing your products. You can buy inventory from wholesale distributors, cash and carry stores like Costco or Sam's Club, or vending-specific suppliers. For the best prices, buy in bulk from wholesalers. Always track expiration dates and use the first-in, first-out method to keep your stock fresh. Your goal should be a 40 to 60% gross margin before you account for commissions and other operating costs. Now, where do you put these machines? Step 7 is all about finding and securing great locations. Think office buildings, factories, busy apartment complexes, college dorms, gyms, and laundromats. How do you find leads? Try direct outreach to property managers by phone or email, or even walk in with a one-page proposal that highlights the benefits for them, like a completely passive income stream. Always offer fantastic service, keep the area around your machine clean, and be flexible with your product offerings. Step 8. Installation and merchandising. When you place your machine, make sure it's highly visible, well-lit, and accessible. Follow ADA guidelines to ensure everyone can use it. When it comes to pricing, research what your local market will tolerate. Most snacks are priced between $1 and $3. And for merchandising, place your best-selling items right at eye level to catch attention and maximize sales. Step 9 is running the day-to-day operations. You'll need a schedule for restocking. Low-traffic spots might only need a weekly visit, while busy locations could require servicing multiple times a week. This is where telemetry is a game changer, as it tells you exactly what's sold and when you need to go. Always provide a clear contact number on the machine for refunds or issues. Great customer service builds trust and keeps your machine profitable. Step 10. Staying compliant. Depending on what you sell, you may need to follow federal or state rules for nutrition and calorie labeling. And be transparent with your pricing. Ensure the price displayed is the same for both cash and card payments. This simple step helps you avoid legal trouble and keeps your customers happy. Step 11 is all about measuring and optimizing your business using key performance indicators, or KPIs. The most important metric is your sales per machine, per week. Also track your gross margin, how often you need to restock, and your machine's uptime. Use your data to identify underperforming machines. Don't be afraid to move a machine from a bad location to a more promising one. Finally, Step 12. Scaling your business. Once your first few machines are consistently profitable, it's time to expand. You can grow by acquiring more machines, hiring a driver to help with routes, and using telemetry to optimize your efficiency. As you grow, you can diversify into beverage machines, combo snack and drink machines, or even specialty kiosks. To recap, starting a vending machine business is a tangible path to building passive income. By starting with a solid plan, forming an LLC for protection, finding great locations, and focusing on excellent service, you can build a scalable and successful enterprise. It requires work up front, but the rewards of a business that works for you 24/7 are well worth the effort. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide has inspired you to take the next step in your entrepreneurial journey.